Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to use Trello in 2025 to stay organized, manage tasks, and boost productivity. Even if you have never used it before, let's jump in. Trello is a visual task management tool based on boards, lists, and cards. Think of it like a digital whiteboard where you can organize tasks, projects, or even daily goals all in one place. Perfect for solo users, teams, or anyone who loves drag and drop simplicity. Go to Trello.com, then sign up for a free account. Click on Get Trello for free, and you will land on your dashboard after login and sign up. From here, you can see your boards straight, starred, projects, and recent activity. Your board is like your overall project scape. Inside it, you create lists like to do, in progress, done. Inside each list, you add cards. These are your individual tasks or ideas. You can drag cards between lists to track progress, or click a card to add due dates, attach files, write checklists, add team member, leave comments. Use labels to color code tasks like priority, category, or status. You can also set a due dates and reminders so nothing gets missed. Want automation? Use Trello's filter feature too. Auto move cards, send reminders, create recurring tasks. It's simple but powerful. Hold it from here, then Trello works great for teams too. Invite members to boards, assign tasks, leave comments and updates, mention teammates, sync with tools like Google Drive, Slack, or Notion. New in Trello, you can now switch views with paid plans to calendar view, see tasks by date, for create a new board. Click on create, then create board, then board title, workspace, public, private, or workspace, then board name, videos making, then choose the color of your dashboard. You can select a background from here and then click create, then add list, enter the list name, then click add list. And that's your Trello beginner tutorial for 2025. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a full video on Trello, automation, or power ups. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the I will see you in the next video.